Ever wondered how safe your data is in today's digital world? In our ever-evolving digital landscape, the surge of data has been nothing short of monumental. From personal photos to critical business information, our lives are increasingly stored in the form of digital data. And where does all this data go? The answer is in the cloud. But with great power comes great responsibility. As our reliance on cloud storage grows, so does the need for robust security measures. This is where cloud security steps into the picture. Cloud security is all about safeguarding our data from threats like cyber attacks and data breaches. It's the knight in shining armor, protecting our digital kingdoms from potential infiltrators. In a nutshell, cloud security ensures that our data remains private and intact, preventing unauthorized access and maintaining the integrity of our information. In a world where data is the new gold, cloud security serves as the ultimate guardian. So what exactly is cloud security and how does it work? Let's imagine you're strolling through a bustling city carrying a bag full of precious diamonds. You wouldn't want to lose them, would you? Well, in the digital world, your data is those precious diamonds. Cloud security is the sturdy, unbreakable bag that keeps those diamonds safe. In more technical terms, cloud security is a broad set of policies, technologies, applications, and controls utilized to protect virtualized IP, data, applications, services, and the associated infrastructure of cloud computing. It's a crucial aspect of business and technology that helps keep your data secure from theft, leakage, and deletion. How does it work, you ask? Let's break it down. Cloud security works through a series of strategies that include data encryption, identity and access management, and physical security. Encryption is like creating a secret code for your data. Even if someone gets their hands on it, they can't read it without the decryption key. Next up is identity management. This is the process of identifying, authenticating, and authorizing individuals or groups of people to have access to applications, systems, or networks by associating user rights and restrictions with established identities. Basically, it's like having a bouncer at the door of a club, only letting in the people on the guest list. Lastly, we have physical security measures. These are the actual tangible security measures like surveillance cameras, security personnel, and biometric access controls at data centers where the servers are housed. Now, there are different types of cloud security: public, private, and hybrid. Public cloud security is provided by third-party service providers, and it's great for businesses that want to save on IT infrastructure costs. Private cloud security, on the other hand, is dedicated to a single organization and is ideal for businesses that need a high level of data security. Hybrid cloud security is a mix of the two, offering the benefits of both worlds. Just like a lock and key system for your house, cloud security ensures that your data is safe and secure. Now that we understand cloud security, what does it mean for IT professionals out there? Cloud security is not just a concept, but a rapidly growing field with a plethora of career opportunities. With an increasing number of businesses migrating to the cloud, the demand for professionals specialized in cloud security is skyrocketing. The roles in this field are diverse, providing a broad spectrum of opportunities. You could be a cloud security engineer, working hands-on to secure cloud infrastructure, or perhaps a cloud security consultant, advising organizations on best practices and strategies for cloud security. But what does it take to embark on this career path? A strong understanding of cloud computing is a must, coupled with a solid foundation in cybersecurity principles. Familiarity with regulations and standards related to data privacy and protection is also beneficial. As the digital world continues to evolve, so too do the opportunities for IT professionals in cloud security. Let's recap what we've learned about cloud security. In today's digital era, the significance of cloud security has grown exponentially. It serves as a fortress, safeguarding our sensitive information from potential threats and cyber attacks. This invisible shield, working round the clock, ensures the integrity and confidentiality of our data in the cloud. But how does it work? Think of it as a vigilant guard, employing a range of strategies from encryption to access control, tirelessly working to keep your data safe and secure. And for those technologically inclined, cloud security presents a world of career opportunities. From developers to analysts, it offers various roles that are not just rewarding, but also crucial in shaping our digital future. We encourage you to delve deeper into the realm of cloud security, understanding its impact and relevance in your life and career. Remember, in the digital world, staying secure isn't just an option, it's a necessity.
Ooh.